Oh boy. Nice 61 or 62. Nice little rat ride.
Oh yeah. And driving like it's dry.
It's fun riding down 70.
I bet this is fun little ride. Hold.
Is it one of the ones where you have to crank the handle to get it started?
You can do it that way.
You could.
It could break an arm though too, if it kicks back.
Oh really?
Oh, you got to be careful with cranking them.
Oh okay.
Are you doing a video?
Yes, I am.
Oh. You have a YouTube channel?
It's going to be on YouTube.
Huh? What's your YouTube channel?
Glenn Miller.
Huh?
Glenn Miller.
Thank you.
Nice little square body. Sweet. Look at that chrome. Nice. Nice 50 forward here. What a beauty. What a beauty.
Yeah, me too.
This is an Orland truck. I see this around town all the time. I don't mind looking like this in another couple of years. Nice little Barracuda. Don't see these around much.
And when we went up there, Carol and I went up there, when we got ready to leave, there was a... I know who you are.
So anyway, we talked for a little bit. I said,
This looks like a retractable. It is. Hardtop convertible. This roof folds right back into the trunk. What a beautiful car. Looks like it needs a new dash, but sweet. Got nice paint.
that black one? Where?
No, it's Inchigo.
The highway takeover.
Yeah, I've seen those.
So those are pretty.
Nice truck.
A buddy of mine, you know what H2R is?
No, I know.
Oh, that's blue.
And then you have a little one
This is 60. Nice car.
He won like a basket.
Gleaming.
I like this.
That Edsel over there.
I think that's one you should check out. Not this one, but the next one. You should check that one out.
Ooh.
Yeah. He just finished this and stuff. You should check out the back of your carriage in it too.
That is some kind of green. Looks like Malibu Row here. There's some really nice cars here. Some beauties.
They're a little bit different.
Oh, really?
A Ford truck. So, someone
Charger. This is a nice truck, 55 Chevy. Oh boy, look at that. Look at that. Sweet.
You know you're gonna kid that thinks this is badass.
56 T-Bird.
Yeah, I don't know. I just don't think the technology is quite right.
Nice.
It will be.
I think what they're doing catching the fire, you can't put it out.
your
Boy,
soda shut off.
nice red.
We should have brought a pop
I haven't really seen that much.
shape up thing. Those guys got the right idea under that shade tree.
Nice little four-door down there.
The hood comes up and out. I've never seen one like that. What's up?
Look at this old 52, 53, 51. Pretty clean. Pretty clean. Wish I had that carburetor. Another T-Bird. She's clean. Nice. What color is that? It's a little Falcon Rancho. Nice Plymouth.
Kind of is because we were all 60 years.
I mean, that's
Nearly half.
oh yeah, oh yeah.
We all came together.
There's a sweetie. Another T-Bird. 55. Very nice. Draining battery fast. Might make it. The old stuff.
Go around you. We won't block that view.
No problem.
Binder.
39 Ford Mercury. Nice car. Old stage line. MG.
Farm truck. Definitely an old workhorse.
Forward.
Look at how many fucking leaves are on that.
Yeah, they're upside down almost.
Oh boy. Nice T-guard. Really nice T-guard. This old Merc.
for a little bit.
That's a sweetie. 51 Merc. Nice square body Chevy with the LS conversion. And the SS. Look at this Riviera. Whoa, that's nice. Real nice. Good job on the roof. And the bucket tea. Hurry it up, we're not going to have enough battery to make this last row here. Damn GoPros, you don't get far. That's a pretty rare car right there. Both of them. For sale. Nice Chevy. Another Chevy 40. Pretty nice car.
Nice color though. I like it.
56 Nomad. That looks like about it.
Oh, you talked to him.
Some pretty nice cars. This is a nice looking wagon. Nice interior. GTX.
This one.
Got 440. Is that what these came in? How you doing? Is this your ride?
Yep.
Is this 440 car?
Yep.
All right. Pretty nice. Used to ride around in one when I was a kid, drinking beers.
Yeah.
This is the car.
Nice looking Camaro. This Corvette's pretty sweet. Reminds me of Arvin Jarvis.
Here's a vet. 65 vet.
Nice car. Really nice.
My cousin, he liked the vets. He had a 59, then he got a...
You got a YouTube channel?
I do.
My boy would love to see your content. Do you have a card or anything?
I don't.
Okay. Can you tell her so she can type it in?
Glenn Miller.
Glenn Miller?